if you have any measurement of infiltration. Okay, this whatever that rain falls, and that rain falls on the surface, and surface will get saturated, and after that it will go inside that blah blah we know. Okay, then how to measure this one, that for a particular soil will it has a this much of capacity or this much is infiltrating, how to measure that one? For that we have a four methods here. The first method is using flood type infiltrometer, flood type flooding infiltration infiltrometer. Okay, then in this one we have two types that we will discuss, and measurement of subsidence of free water in large basin ponds. Okay, then in higher studies what they will do, they will make a big large one pond, and after that they will that allow the water to stand here, and they will be having some graduations here. Then after that infiltration they will study that. Okay, this is it, and this one we will not study for your syllabus. Then rainfall simulator is there. Rainfall simulator means here in film city also they will make, no, if any shooting is taking place under the rain, they don't wait for god, they will not write a letter to god and they will demand the rain, they will create their own rain in their shooting area. No, like that scientists also if they want to study infiltration, then they will make a rainfall simulator. Okay, then they will take a soil and their all arrangements they will make, and they will study it. That is called as a rainfall simulator. Then hydrograph analysis. This hydrograph analysis also, if you have any existing hydrographs of a particular area, then you can study this. We will study in the third module, how to study infiltration by hydrographs, that we will study in the third model. And rainfall simulator is there, that is not there for your syllabus, you can go through some other sources. And measurement of subsidence free water, this is also will not be there, and we will be studying this using flooding type infiltrometer, and after that we will use a Horton's equation that will come in the next class, that we will use and we will calculate it. Okay, see, this flooding type infiltrometer is just a common sense, they did not make any sophisticated instrument, just they used a common sense and they build one instrument. We have two types of instrument. The first one is called as a simple tube type infiltrometer, and the second one is a double ring infiltrometer. ओके, सिंपल टाइप इनफिल्ट्रोमीटर मतलब क्या है? ये बहुत इजी है. देखो इधर कॉमन सेंस यूज करो ज़्यादा. आपके पास एक सिलिंड्रिकल रिंग है ना, एक ऐसे सिलेंडर है, टॉप और बॉटम दोनों ओपन है. एक ऐसा पाइप समझो, एक पाइप है आपके पास, वो पाइप क्या करो, देन दैट पाइप यू इंसर्ट इनसाइड द ग्राउंड लाइक दिस. इंसर्ट किया, अब इसके ऊपर पानी रखो. ये जो पाइप है ना, तो ये पाइप के ऊपर, then here you put the water here. Then after that wait for some time, say for example 5 centimeter, you put a water for 5 centimeter here, and you take your stopwatch and start the time. In stopwatch it will start tick 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 tick, the stopwatch will start the time, and you start observing this. Means to penetrate, to infiltrate this 5 centimeter, how many minutes it took, that is your rate, you got it. But the scientists thought that this having only one type of tube, only one type of tube means we will get a lot of error in this experiment. In this experiment we will get lot of error. That's why they made it a double ring infiltrometer. Nowadays this single ring infiltrometer is violated. Means we are not using this single ring, we are using double ring. How it look like? Just look this diagram. Okay, see, this is just one plastic, or otherwise that is a steel, that one ring is there, and this diameter usually we will take it a 60 centimeter outer diameter, and inner diameter we will be taking 30 centimeter. Okay, Raka, then what we need to do, we need to put the water here. In the outer ring also we will put, and inner ring also we will put water. Okay, inner ring and outer ring, when you put a water, then you should maintain the level, and here some graduations are there. Through this one you need to on your stopwatch, and after that start measuring. Okay, here you can see the diagram. This is a 60 centimeter and 30 centimeter inner, and water you need to maintain a same level in both. Okay, in both you should maintain same level, and the depth is there. No, depth, it is depends in up to what depth you want to measure, Okay, up to what depth you want to measure, that depth you can select the ring, but usually what we'll do, minimum 25 centimeter depth we will take it. Okay, and the water we need to stand here about 5 centimeter and start your stopwatch, and by using that time you are going to assess the how much of water is entering inside, then you will get a infiltration capacity. Right, for exam purpose, draw this diagram, and if you want this diagram also good, and this is for your understanding purpose. See here, a stopwatch is kept here, and infiltration they are seeing the readings. Very easy now, just common sense you need to use it, and you can use you can go through these points. And one more very important, the chief disadvantages of this flooding type infiltrometer. What are the disadvantages? That is also common sense, that drain drop impact effect is not simulated. See, आपने क्या किया इधर, तो इधर पानी लगाया, you put a water here and you started the watch, but here if there is a rainfall continuously, then उसका effect क्या होगा, तो rain is also happening continuously and infiltration is also taking place, both you are not assessing in this method. That is why we made it as a one demerit, that is the rain drop impact effect is not simulated. And the second one is the driving of tube or ring disturb the soil structure. ऑब्वियसली वो जो आपने रिंग है ना, रिंग आपका अंदर ऐसे डाल रहे हैं ना, तो ऐसे रोटेट करते 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 उसको अंदर डाल रहे हैं, देन इट विल डिस्टर्ब द सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर. That is one demerit. The third one is the result of infiltrometer depends on some extent on their size and large meters, with the large meters giving less rate and the large ones, this is due to the border effect. मतलब if your ring diameter if you increase, then effect will increase. If you take a small ring and your effect will be different, big ring, big diameter ring, effect will be different. Like that, it is also depending on the size of the ring. These are all demerits we can list. Understood? This is what you are measuring infiltration by flooding type infiltrometer. We have two type. One is a single tube and second one is the double ring. And most probably we will be using double ring. And in double ring, the working procedure you know, and demerits you should know. If you know that, then that is over. Now in this concept, whatever that previous year questions we got in the VTU that I have listed here, describe the method of determining infiltration capacity. Method of determining infiltration capacity using double ring infiltrometer. समझ में आया? 6 मार्क्स के लिए. Explain factors affecting infiltration capacity. मैंने आपको होमवर्क दिया था. Then define infiltration. Define करो. With neat sketch, explain double ring infiltration. Then describe method of determining this one, same double ring infiltrometer. Then what are the factors which affect the infiltration? Factors affecting infiltration, and sketch the double ring infiltrometer. Mention different methods of measuring rate of infiltration. Describe any one method. तो any one method मतलब हम क्या करेंगे? Double ring method. Right? Define term infiltration capacity. Explain briefly the factors affecting infiltration capacity. What is infiltration? Explain measurement using double ring method. तो ये देख के ही मैं लिखता हूँ 200% फिक्स क्वेश्चन. तो यही है 200 फिक्स क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर दोस? फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग इन्फिल्ट्रेशन, you have a double ring experiment, then what is the definition of infiltration capacity? These are all fixed questions. In the next class we will go into Harton's equation, how to measure, how to estimate the quantity of infiltration, that we will see in the next class. Right? Do you have any doubts? You people, do you know, whenever I think about you people, whenever I think about students are very good to understand the concept. See, the concept is nothing here. In general it is there, but the thing is that what is the lagging, why we are where we are lagging in this technical education field, why we are not earning marks, or otherwise why we are not gaining knowledge, because we don't know how to express the things. Okay, the thing is, you know what is the double ring infiltration and what are the factors infiltration that affects infiltration, you know that one, that I need not required here to explain you. But still, why we are in lagging? Because